children. Hello. I said hello. Little more louder, please. There you are. Very good. So, children, in the last story, there were two best friends, girls. Do you remember what were their names? Yes, you are right. Meera, Meena and Mary. Yes, there you are. Very good, children. Give a good clap. Good. Next, Meena found something on the table. What was it? That is the right answer. Lamp. Very good. Yes. And she was playing something with that. Do you remember what was it? Drum. Yes. Today, our story also will have a beautiful drum. Yes. Are you ready for today's story? Yeah. There was a small little boy whose name was David. David. And his father asked David, today being a holiday, I want you to clean your toy cupboard. David said, yes, Daddy, it's my pleasure. I will do it. Then he went to the toy cupboard. He opened it up and he was so happy. He found his old donkey, teddy bear and a duck. Donkey, teddy bear and a duck. He was very happy to see all these toys and he started playing. His father asked, David, what are you doing? Wait, Daddy, I'm just cleaning my cupboard. Then suddenly, he also found a bag full of marbles and dice. Marbles and dice. He started playing with the dice, rolling the dice on the floor. He was just playing and enjoying. Again, his father called, David, have you finished? Daddy, not yet. Just a minute. Give me 1 second. He was just cleaning the cupboard. At the back of the cupboard, he saw a drum. His old red and blue drum. He took the drum and started banging on the drum. Dum, 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 dum. He was playing with his drum. Listening to the sound, his father came. What is this going on? Have you not cleaned your cupboard? Daddy, almost the work has been done, a little more. But do you know that the whole day you took for cleaning your such a small, tiny toy cupboard? Yes, Daddy, I understand. But, I found some of my old toys which made me happy and with which I was playing so happily. So, Daddy, just 2 minutes, I will finish cleaning my cupboard. So, he rushed back and cleaned the cupboard and kept everything in order and told, Daddy, my work is over. Good job, David. Good. Now, children, I would like to ask you a few questions. What is the name of this boy? Yes, there you are. David. David. What are the toys he found in the cupboard? Yes, teddy bear, old donkey, a dog and a duck. Then he also found a bag full of marbles and what is this you are seeing in this picture? dies. Right. Finally, what was the one which made him so happy? His red and blue drum. What did he do with the drum? He started banging on the drum. Dud, 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 dud. Yes, very good. Then his father came and then asked, "Have you finished?" Then David said, "Yes, Daddy, I finished." The daddy and David were very happy as the work has been done neatly. So did you understand? Enjoy the story, children? Hope so. Meet you with the next story.